Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your existing account on DeepSphere AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in deepsphere.ai and press enter. You will now be taken into the official DeepSphere AI website. Now from this page, click on the menu icon at the top right corner and from this pane, click on the login button. This will then take you into the login portal for DeepSphere AI. Now from the login portal, go ahead and type in your email address or your username that you set while creating your account, and then enter your password, and finally click on the login button and you will be logged into your account with DeepSphere AI. And now you can start using the various services that are provided by DeepSphere with your own account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on DeepSphere AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.